everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I am bringing you an unboxing, and this is not sponsored. It was just a purchase that I made on my own, but I'm super excited about it. So you know as well as I know that I absolutely love buying and trying new protein powders, because eventually I'm going to find that one that is just perfect. I mean, I do love the Quest Nutrition. They have a vanilla milkshake. It's one of my favorites. But Ghost has some pretty interesting flavors. So just in case you need to see it here, like I'm kind of giving you all the smiles, because wait till you see what's in this box. So we're going to go ahead and open it up real quick. I'm going to show you what I purchased, and then as always I will keep you posted both here on YouTube and on Instagram as I use these, so that you could see what I'm using them for, what my thoughts are as far as the different flavors are concerned. And yes, I said different flavors, can you believe it? I have several flavors in this little box. Alright, so packing slip, packing paper, just keep tossing it back there. Alright, so Ghost Nutrition, if you haven't heard of them, they are known for having some fun, exciting flavors. And when I say fun and exciting flavors, I mean like Oreo cookie. Yeah, Oreo cookie. I think that I scanned these and they're between 3 and 4 points each depending on the flavor. But Oreo cookie flavored, I don't know, puddings, or you can have just regular shakes. You can use it, like I said, that Ninja Creamy has got me thinking outside the box with some of these protein powders. So Oreo cookie is our first flavor. I got 2 of those. The next flavor that I have, Chips Ahoy cookies. Chips Ahoy. How fun is that? So chocolate chip cookie, milkshake, protein powder, protein shakes. Also, you can put it in your iced coffee. You know that I'm loving my protein coffees lately, and this is going to be, I know I say game changer all the time, but how fun is it to have some fun outside the box flavors that you can use that are going to make you feel like you're having a dessert, and it's going to feel so indulgent, but yet it's going to be healthy for you. I'll go back to the other ones, but this one packet here has 25 grams of protein. So 25 grams of protein, that's going to go a long way to keep you full when you're having these. I'm going to double back to this Oreo real quick, and Oreo, again, 25 grams of protein. You can't go wrong with that, right? All right, so I got 2 of those. Now, my plan was, I'm laughing at myself because my plan was to get all of the little sample packets. You can buy the sample packets. I think they were like $2.50 each. So you can buy the sample packets so that you can try them to make sure you like them before you buy the big container. However, the one that I really wanted to try was a different flavor, and they were sold out of the sample packets. So in Kim fashion, guess what I did? I just bought the big container and went for it. And this one is, ready for this, Nutter Butter. Yeah, Nutter Butter. I absolutely love Nutter Butter cookies. It's one of my favorite cookies that, you know, that you can eat, and I could eat a whole container of them just, you know, just by sitting around watching TV, because it's that good. So I'm hoping that this will get rid of that craving and give me different ways to enjoy, you know, just that Nutter Butter flavor. And from all the reviews that I've heard, it's supposed to be fabulous. So this one is 26 grams of protein, 160 calories, and has 26 servings. The Chips Ahoy is also 160 calories, and the Oreo cookie is 150 calories. So the calories on this is not bad. You can pair it with, you know, your almond milk or your oat milk, or, you know, if you want to kick up your protein. I know a lot of people use the Fairlife, and 1 cup of the Fairlife I think gives you, it gives you more, I can't remember off the top of my head how much more protein it adds, but you could add more protein because there is protein in that Fairlife milk. So this is what I have here. You know, this is it for my protein powders. Now they did have one more item, and it was this Ghost Gamer Swedish fish flavor. And again, I'll take a picture of this and put it in at the end so you can get a close-up look. But this is for focus and energy. And this sample, again, another sample packet, but I thought, oh, maybe I'll give that a try and see how that works out. And you guys know I'm wearing my new contacts, and the lighting in here, I'd have to really look. But I can't get a bead on this one with these contacts in. I'm still trying to figure out the perfect ratio. But anyway, from what I understand, if I remember what I read, it's not that many calories, and gives you a little way to change up your water and give you a little extra energy. So that's what I have here today. Nutter butter, Chips Ahoy, Oreo. I'll keep you posted and let you know what my thoughts are on these. So with that said, I am going to wrap this up. Hopefully it was a really quick, informative, but short video for you. But again, I like to share some of these things with you when I find them, because of the fact that maybe it's something you've been on the fence about buying, and I can help you make that decision. Not that you're going to like exactly what I like, but if I don't like something, I'm going to let you know that it wasn't my favorite. So I will keep you posted as far as the Ghost Nutrition is concerned. Again, not sponsored, don't have a code. Just went to the website and purchased it myself. So with that said, I just want to say thanks for watching, and we will see you next video.